Hey friends, this is Atif Opierval and welcome to the new update on Orion Protocol. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that Orion Protocol has broken out a very big and long-term down channel, and this was my last video. And in fact, I have been showing you this down channel even before the breakout when it was testing a quite long-term support of 47 cents. And this was the video that I shared when it was testing a quite long-term support. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after testing this support of 47 cents, the price line has rallied very well. And so far from this low to this high, it has rallied more than 466%. And during this rally, you can see that Orion Protocol has first broken out this quite long-term resistance of 70 cents that was previously breaking as a support here. And now for the past several weeks, it was breaking as a resistance. And after breaking out this 70 cents resistance, the price line has also broken out a quite long-term resistance of $1 as well. That was previously breaking as a very strong and long-term support here for several months. And now for the past several weeks, it was breaking as a resistance. And after that, imminently, it has also broken out another resistance of $1.60 that had been previously working as a very strong resistance for several weeks a month. And after the breakout, you can see now it is working as a very nice support. You can see after the breakout, the price line got rejected by this next long-term resistance of $2.15, and we have tested the support here and here as well. And right now, you can see that Orion Protocol is trying to break out this next quite long-term resistance of $2.15 that has been previously breaking as a very strong resistance and almost as a support here as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very massive breakout from this very long-term Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And now you can see that this cloud is turned bullish. The color is changed from red to green. And now this cloud can work as a very long-term support for the price line of Orion Protocol. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Orion Protocol that I shared in the previous month of Feb on 23rd of Feb 2024 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal chart pattern that Orion Protocol formed with US dollar pair on a daily time frame chart. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied to the even beyond the sell target zone. At first, it dropped down once again inside this buying zone. Then we had a very massive pump, and so far it has rallied almost 70%. And before that, we caught this pump that was almost 20% pump, by the way. And I shared this idea in the month of December, and this was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that Orion Protocol formed with US dollar pair on a 2-hour time frame chart. And this was a complete trade setup. This was a buying range in the sell target zone and the stop loss. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line again started another very nice reversal. First, it again dropped down inside this buying zone. Then we had a very nice pump, and this was almost 20% pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Orion Protocol. And this is the 7 days time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several months or even years, since after May 2021, it was moving inside this quite long-term down channel. Therefore, this was a multi-year space resistance that the price line was not able to break out. We got so many rejections here, here, and here. And finally, the price line has broken out the resistance of this channel here in the month of November 2023. And then we had a very nice pump from this low to this high. It is almost 466% rally. We have broken out so many significant resistance levels, like we broke out this resistance of 70 cents and $1 and then $1.60. And now this $1.60 is working as a very strong support. Like it has been working as a very strong resistance before the breakout. Therefore, you can see we have tested the support again and again. Let me just show you this move on the daily time frame chart, and you can see that for several days the price line has been testing this support after the breakout but could not break it down. And now on the daily time frame chart, we have completed broken out their next resistance of $2.15. However, it's a quite long-term resistance, therefore we should be looking at the weekly closing of this weekly candlestick on this 7 days time frame chart. And the next major resistance will be at $3 that has been previously working as a very strong support here for several weeks. And therefore, again, it can work as a very, very strong resistance. And after that, another major resistance will be here. That is approximately at $4.85. It has been previously working as a very strong support here and resistance here. And again, it can work as a very strong resistance. And you can see that we have also broken out a quite long-term resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And you can see that for the past several months or years, it has been working as a very strong resistance since it was flipped into a bearish cloud. You can see the price and was in a very, very strong bearish trend. And we got several rejections here, almost two rejections here, and several rejections here. And finally, we have broken out this Ichimoku bearish cloud. And we have also received a bull cross between the conversion and the baseline. This conversion line is the bullish line, and this baseline that is in brown color, that is a bearish line. And you can see that this conversion line, that is a bullish line, has crossed up this bearish line. That is a very powerful buying signal, especially on this 7 days time frame chart. And now this lagging span is about to break out the upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud. Once it will be able to break it out, then we can expect that this rally to the upside, or this pump, will be become more powerful. And now if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this big down channel, that technical target is about to be here at the top of this channel. That is approximately at $12. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.